Hey guys, today's video I want to share with you guys how I decorated my front porch for spring on a budget. So I found this boxwood wreath at Walmart for $12.98, and you could kind of make this on your own with Dollar Tree products, but I found with all the price increases and all the floral that you'll need to buy for it, it comes about to the same price as $12.98, basically $13. Sometimes it can come out a little bit cheaper depending on how full you want it to be. So I thought this would be a great thing just to buy because it'll save me time, and like I said, it'll come out to the same price as if I bought all the pieces at Dollar Tree. Now it already comes with like some little yellow flowers in it as well with the boxwood greenery, but I wanted to add some white flowers to it, some baby breath flowers to it, because you guys know that whenever I add a touch of greenery in my home, I always like to add some white flowers to it because I just love the look of white and green together, especially during the springtime. So that's what I'm doing now. And this wreath, I will have it linked down below. If you want to get it from Walmart, I'll have the direct links down below so that you can purchase it as well, because you can find it online, or you can also just do where you purchase it online and then you can pick it up at the store. And here's how it looks on my front door. Now if you wanted to, you can add a bunny to it or some type of Easter decor to it if you wanted to make it more of an Easter theme, but I really wanted my front porch just to be kind of neutral, just spring decor. I didn't want to add any Easter stuff to it because I kind of want to carry this into the summer. I might use it all summer long, but I'm not sure, or I might switch it out for some type of, you know, beachy type theme. But for right now, I'm just loving the greenery of this boxwood on my door. This rug I found right now is such a great deal because I found it on Amazon for just $16 because it was 49% off. So it was normally like $33, but right now it's 49% off, and I'll have the direct links to this one. But I found that this is such a great deal because I've seen rugs like this, like I said, go for $30, $35, even more. And so the fact that I got one of this size for the front porch that's an outdoor rug for $16 was a great deal. So let's talk about the plants and planters that I have in my front porch right now. So Dollar Tree has a bunch of new planter pots, vases in their gardening section right now. They come in so many different colors, so many different shapes, so many different styles. But I loved this one because I love the size of it and I love the shape of it. But I wasn't a fan of the color green. So what I did was I spray painted it white, and I spray painted it kind of like a matte white because I love the look of matte white. I also took some rocks that I had on hand and filled this planter with rocks because this is going to be in my front porch. And in Texas lately, we've been having some strong winds. And so I wanted to make sure that this planter did not blow away from my porch, being that it's plastic. Then when it came to the plants that I chose this boxwood greenery that they have at Walmart right now. It used to be 97 cents, but now it's $1.26 because everything has gone up in price. I will have that directly linked down below as well. If you guys want to get this exact same boxwood greenery, I'll have the links down below. But I used this one, and I also use some baby's breath as well. Because like I said, I love the touch of like green and white, how it goes against each other to fill these planters. And then this is how it looks on my front porch. I just love the look of it. It looks so real. It looks like, it doesn't even look like a fake plant at all, in which I like the look of that because, you know, your front porch, you want to have like realistic plants, but I always kill my plants, so that's why I like to use fake greenery and great you know, fake plants. So I love the look of these two put together in my front porch because it looks real, but it's not, and it's easy for me to keep up with. I also wanted to add another planter to go with the one that I just created as well on my front porch, and I wanted it to be smaller than the other one, and I wanted it to be black as well because I like the look of black and white. And so when I saw this planter at Dollar Tree, I thought it was perfect because it was already black and I love the shape of it, and it was much smaller than the one that I originally just shared with you guys. Now for this one, I used these flowers that I found at Dollar Tree. They are new this year. I have never seen them before, and they're absolutely gorgeous. They look so lifelike and so real. And what I loved about it is that not only were they white and full and beautiful, but they also had two different touch of greeneries on it. It had like the leaves and like these little stems that were green, so they looked perfect for this flower arrangement. So I just put it in the planter box, and then I put it on either side of the door with the other planters, and I just love the way that it came out. It looks so nice in my front porch, and the way that my front porch is coming out now, I want it to be minimalistic, but I wanted it to be nice. And so I loved how everything came out. It has like a black and white theme with the touch of greenery and, you know, the whites as well. And I just love the look of it because, like I said, it's decorated, but it's not too cluttered on my front porch because I don't want to have too many things. And thank God nothing has blown away yet. And so I love the way everything came out. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments down below. Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's just enough? Do you think I should add more things? Let me know in the comments down below all your decor ideas and what you think of this. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.